Welcome adventure seekers. Today, we set out on a trek to one of the most enchanting destinations, Ambaji Durga, that just 80-kilometer drive from Bangalore. It is located right along the Bangalore-Chintamani highway and is located in the Kolar district. If you wish to witness the breathtaking sunrise and the captivating cloud formations, consider visiting this location instead of the bustling Nandi Hills. This spot is one of the offbeat, serene, and stunning places with fewer crowds. To reach Ambaji Durga, a short hike is required. Ambaji Durga Trek presents a simple and unique trekking opportunity, situated approximately a 1.5 to 2-hour drive from Bangalore. It serves as an ideal quick getaway for a trekking experience with family and friends. The trail on this trek includes passing through farmlands, Deccan forests and hop-skipping on boulders and rocks to reach the fort ruins and the Anjane temple. The hilltop holds the most marvelous view of the nearby city of Chintamani and vast flatlands peppered with small hilltops. You can spot the peaks of Nandi Hills, Skandagiri, and the entire city of Chintamani and Kaivra from the top. There can be two base points for this trek. One is at Konappalli, between Chintamani and Upparpet, near the Hazrath Khwaja Dargah, and the other is the Durga Temple where most of the people park their vehicles and begin the trek. If you are looking for a real trek experience, we suggest that you begin the trek from Konappalli base point. This is because the trail from Konappalli is adventurous with no predefined path, and you will feel quite intrepid while taking this route, as it passes farmlands, dry forest cover and lush tall grass. Konappalli to Durga Temple is around 3.5 km and Durga Temple to Ambaji Durga Fort is 1 km. Now the choice is yours. If you wish to do small hike, choose base point Durga Fort, else you can choose Konappalli base. We choose Konappalli base. The trek starts from an open ground near Konappalli, where there is a small shrine at the base of the hill where you can park your car or two-wheeler. Parking your vehicles at your own risk. We say this because the open ground near the small shrine is isolated and not many people pass through the route. We started around 5:15 in the morning and reached Durga Temple base point by 6. Trails had a very easy gradual ascent. We took 45 minutes to complete this. The main trail goes up towards the left of the Durga Temple. You can take this diversion without entering the premises of the temple. Your climb now starts going through a series of boulders covered with high grass and rocky sections. You soon hit the shoulder of the hillock with a series of steps and you can see the ruins of the fort. After a few more steps, soon you will be near the top of the hillock. So friends, the trek is an ideal one for any age group. Families, friends and colleagues can go and explore this trekking trail. Just like you, we love trekking, and this trek we have documented in great detail to help you do it on your own. Hope you like it. If yes, share with your friend circle and drop in comments at the comment section if you need any help. This video is ending here, but our journey is continuing. I will come back with another amazing video. Till then, bye and see you in the next video.